Representation of the Iebc. After the various petitions were filed and served on the Iebc, and the chairman of the Iebc, Wafula Chebukati, appointed counsel to represent him. The law firms went on record and filed their responses respectively. At the same time, the four commissioners, namely Juliana Sherere, Vice Chairperson, Francis Wandera, Justus Nyangaya, and Irene Masit, were named as respondents in various petitions individually, and they retained their respective counsel, and they filed their responses. On the 27th of August 2022, the firm of Issa and Company Advocates lodged a notice of appointment of advocates that is dated the 26th August 2022, purporting to act for the Iebc. At the pre-trial conference this morning, the issue of the legal representation arose. The Iebc, through the firm of Iseme Maema and Kamau Advocates, filed an application on the 29th of August 2022, seeking to strike out the notice of appointment and all pleadings by Issa and Company Advocates. The motion was supported by an affidavit filed and deposed to by Marjan Hussein Marjan, the Secretary and Chief Executive Officer of the Iebc. We have now been called upon to give directions and to resolve the question of legal representation of the Iebc. We have considered the pleadings, the record, and the brief statements by counsel. It's our considered view that this court cannot deal with the issue or any dispute as to the legal representation of the Iebc as an institution in these petitions. It is not the business of the court to determine who represents the Iebc in whichever formation. There is an internal issue which must be resolved by the Iebc, its commissioners, and other internal organs. This court will not be drawn into this dispute in these circumstances.